Today we're going to talk about the numerous benefits of personal development and why it is crucial for our overall well-being and success in life. Personal development is a process of improving oneself and our lives in meaningful ways. It encompasses a wide range of activities such as learning new skills, setting and achieving goals, building healthy relationships, and developing a positive mindset. The first benefit I wish to discuss is increased self-awareness. Enhanced self-awareness is one of the primary and most essential benefits that come from engaging in personal development. When we put our attention on bettering ourselves, we gain a deeper understanding of who we are, what we want out of life, and the obstacles that stand in our way. The more self-aware we are, the better judgment we can make, the more meaningful goals we can set for ourselves, and the more satisfying a life we can establish for ourselves. The next benefit is improved mental and emotional well-being. Investing in one's own personal growth can have a beneficial effect on the mental and emotional health of an individual. We may lessen the negative effects of stress, grow our sense of purpose, and improve our general happiness and level of contentment with life if we acquire new abilities, cultivate good relationships, and cultivate a positive mental attitude. Meditation and other mindfulness techniques can be effective tools for personal growth. They can improve our ability to concentrate and be productive, as well as lower our levels of tension and worry. The next benefit of personal growth is better relationships. Who doesn't want a better relationship? Personal growth can have a beneficial effect on our relationships, which is another of its many important advantages. When we put in the effort to become the best version of ourselves, we naturally become better lovers, friends, and members of our family. We become more confident in our abilities to connect with others in meaningful ways, improve our communication skills, and adopt a more upbeat and optimistic outlook. By putting effort into our personal growth, we may also make a beneficial contribution to the communities in which we live and the wider world that surrounds us. When we work hard to establish a solid foundation for ourselves, we improve our chance of having a positive impact on the lives of others and making the world a better place for everyone. The next benefit of personal development is career advancement and financial success. Personal development can also lead to increased earnings and promotions at work, as well as other benefits. We make ourselves more valuable as employees and as business owners by acquiring new talents and developing our existing abilities. In addition, we are able to plan and accomplish more significant career goals, as well as increase our financial security and level of independence. Personal growth can also assist us in determining our interests and determining how best to put those interests to use in our lives. When we find employment that is in line with our beliefs and passions, not only do we become more engaged and driven, but we also enjoy a higher level of professional success and pleasure. The last benefit we'll talk about today is a more fulfilling life. The most significant advantage of personal growth, in my opinion, is the good effect it has on our entire sense of purpose and fulfillment. This is the most crucial benefit of personal development. If we put in the effort to become the best version of ourselves, we will have a life that is full of rich experiences, meaningful connections, and genuine fulfillment. The process of self-improvement lasts a person's entire life, and there are a number of approaches one might take to it. Discover a method that works for you and make it a consistent part of your life, regardless of whether you want to work one-on-one with a coach, read books on self-help, or participate in workshops on personal development. The most important thing is to find a method that works for you. Additionally, it's essential to keep in mind that personal development is a never-ending process of growth and development. We may accomplish our objectives, develop satisfying relationships, and design a life that is truly worth living by consistently working on improving ourselves. I hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to start your own personal development journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.